Good morning, Mustangs. This is Miss Monis with your morning announcements for Thursday, February 6, 2025. And as always, I want to ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. I would like to start off with a congratulations to Miss Klusendorf's class. They had perfect attendance 4 out of 5 days, so they got a free dress day each time. And so that means 4 out of 5 times they had perfect attendance. That's pretty awesome. I also owe a belated congratulations to Miss Lynn's class because I just heard that they had perfect attendance yesterday. So way to go, guys. And speaking of attendance, the Battle of the Homerooms data has been updated. We have some changes and we have some ties. So Miss Tupper's class now takes the lead over Mr. Del Pozo's class. Miss Lopez and Miss Wilkinson are tied at 94% each. Miss Hendrickson is in the lead between her and Miss James's class. Miss Rubini and Miss Gutierrez are tied, and that's Gutierrez S. Miss Kane and Miss Thomas are tied in 5th grade. And then Miss Robbins has taken the lead in 6th grade. Miss Herlichka remains the lead in 7th, and Mr. Jamerson's homeroom remains in the lead for 8th grade. So remember, attendance does matter. We want you here every day because you're not learning and you're not going to achieve your potential in a diverse global community if you're not here. So attendance is important and we want to recognize that. I also owe a congratulations to Miss Rubini's homeroom. They have already completed the February Redbird AR challenge. And also just a reminder that it is a short month. So the AR challenge for this month will end on Wednesday, February 26th, with the free dress day being on Friday, February 28th? Yes. I know that I've talked about this before. I just want to mention it again, and I'll probably keep mentioning it between now and the day in which we start the state testing. It is a very important test. It's called IAR for 3rd graders through 8th graders. And while I don't put all my eggs into one test basket, so to speak, it is the way people judge us as a school, right? And so right now, when you look at our school-wide data, it doesn't show what I know you guys all know. So I just want to put it out there that I know the test can be challenging. I know it's long. I know there's a lot to read and a lot to write and difficult math problems to solve. But I also know that we know how to persevere and keep a growth mindset to do our best. And that's all we can do, right? As people, that's all we can do every day is do our best. So I just want to remind you that the test is important. Don't get lazy about it. Keep trying your best. And right now, it's important to really pay attention to what the teachers are, teaching you because it's going to help you. All right, moving on. We have our Black History trivia question, and here are the clues for today. Clue number 1, I was born in Honolulu, Hawaii. Clue number 2, I worked as a civil rights attorney, a community organizer, a lecturer, and a professor. Clue number 3, I was a senator for the state of Illinois. That's us, so he was our senator, he or she. And number 4, I served as the first African-American president of the United States from 2009 to 2017. Remember that answers must be in the form of a complete sentence with a capital letter and a period at the end. They must also have your first and last name and your teacher's name. If you do not have those things, you will not get your piece of candy. Just a reminder that Mrs. Fowler's music choir, children's choir rehearsals resume today. And yearbook club will be meeting on Monday, but you must have your permission slip to stay. So yearbook club members, make sure you have turned in your permission slip for Monday. And you also need to have a ride home by 3:15, and you will meet in Miss Lacey's room at dismissal. Up next for the boys basketball team, they will have a game on Saturday, February 8th at 9:00 a.m. And this game will take place at Tree Wind. So good luck to Coach Chapman and the boys. Stay tuned because I know we're kind of like finishing up the boys basketball season. So we principals should be getting information about who's going to be playing in the final tournaments. So I'll keep you all posted on that. According to the lunch menu today, we are having Swedish meatballs with a dinner roll, or you could choose a crispy chicken salad with a dinner roll, garlic mashed potatoes, sliced cucumbers, chili diced peaches, and of course, ice cold milk. We have 2 Mustangs in the building with the birthday today. We have Wyatt Hall in 2nd grade, and we have Onks Phillips in kindergarten. Happy birthday to these Mustangs. Feliz cumpleaños. And they may come on down to my office for a prize. But remember, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. All right, our IAR word of the day. Remember that if you can use this word in a sentence, and so far I still have only had like 1 or 2 students come up to me and try to talk to me about the word of the day. But if you use this word in a sentence, it can be worth 50 dojo points or 50 Mustang Market tickets. That could buy you a couple things at the Mustang Market store. So the word today is compare. Compare means to identify similarities and differences between 2 or more things. Here's my example sentence. My friend said, "Can you compare the Hot Wheel car to the other toy car and see which one goes the fastest?" This has been Miss Monis with your morning announcements, hoping you have a thoughtful Thursday. Think, think, think all day.